Question number 1. Which city is known as the Gateway of India? The correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Question number 2. What is the minimum age to become the President of India? The correct answer is option C, 35 years. Question number 3. How many members can the President of India nominate to the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option B, 12 members. Question number 4. Who was the first female ruler of Delhi Sultanate? The correct answer is option D, Razia Sultan. Question number 5. The Dandi March started from which place? The correct answer is option A, Sabarmati Ashram. Question number 6. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? The correct answer is option C, 8 states. Question number 7. Who is regarded as the father of India's space program? The correct answer is option D, Vikram Sarabhai. Question number 8. Niti Aayog replaced which earlier planning body in India? The correct answer is option B, Planning Commission. Question number 9. Goods and Service Tax was implemented in India on? The correct answer is option B, 1st of July 2017. Question number 10. Which Indian economist won the Nobel Prize in 1998? The correct answer is option A, Amartya Sen. Question number 11. The Thomas Cup is associated with which sport? The correct answer is option A, badminton. Question number 12. Who is the first Indian athlete to win a gold medal at the Olympics in track and field? The correct answer is option D, Neeraj Chopra. Question number 13. Who was the first emperor of the Maurya dynasty? The correct answer is option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 14. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? The correct answer is option A, Vatican City. Question number 15. Who is known as the father of modern physics? The correct answer is option D, Albert Einstein. Question number 16. Which country hosted the 2020 Summer Olympics? The correct answer is option C, Japan. Question number 17. Who holds the record for most goals in football? The correct answer is option A, Cristiano Ronaldo. Question number 18. Which country has the world's largest parliament? The correct answer is option A, China. Question number 19. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? The correct answer is option C, Indira Gandhi. Question number 20. Which country has the largest economy in the world? The correct answer is option A, United States. Question number 21. In which religion is the Bhagavad Gita a holy text? The correct answer is option D, Hinduism. Question number 22. What is the traditional dance form of Kerala? The correct answer is option D, Kathakali. Question number 23. Who was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize? The correct answer is option B, Marie Curie. Question number 24. What is the highest civilian award in India? The correct answer is option C, Bharat Ratna. Question number 25. Which award is given for excellence in literature? The correct answer is option A, the Jnanpith Award. Question number 26. Who was the first person to set foot on the moon? The correct answer is option D, Neil Armstrong. Question number 27. Which country is the largest emitter of carbon dioxide? The correct answer is option C, China. Question number 28. What is the national instrument of India? The correct answer is option B, sitar. Question number 29. Which language has the largest number of native speakers? The correct answer is option A, Mandarin Chinese. Question number 30. Which part of the brain controls memory and thinking? The correct answer is option D, cerebrum.